Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I want to make a breakdown of this commercial. So this was an idea which I came out with. We were cooking chapati, me and my sister. So I decided to shoot a cinematic b-roll of how she's making the chapati. As we are in quarantine, I just never wanted to sit down and watch it. I just wanted to see where my creative direction will take me. Like I have different ideas which I wanted to accomplish and all that. So we decided to make a b-roll out of the cooking chapati. So this was my setup, and it was just a simple setup, a table and all the ingredients. Like we have the ajab flour and fresh fry. Those were my biggest product which I wanted to focus on, of course, apart from the making of the chapati. So, and here is my light setup. So I use two setup light, one which was my key light, which I placed it the back. It wasn't diffused, yes, but I just wanted to push it back and so that it can spread and become soft. So another light which I added was a little kicker. So here is a hack on how I placed it on a tripod. I put a shoe mount on the light and then I attached it to the tripod, but I never wanted it to be front on, so I wanted it to be a simple edge light. So I tilted it so that it can give me that look. Okay, so what I wanted to achieve was to just follow her how she's making the chapati. Like if I'm going to see like there's something I want to capture, I will let her know, since she's not a pro actor or very comfortable in front of camera. So I was just directing her, then I'll get my shot. On the top down shot, what I did is I just climbed on the table, then I point the camera downwards to what was happening and give it a little spin and see to give a different perspective of the video. The bottom one, I just pointed the camera up so that I have a different view from down. So then I just had to experiment on different shots and ideas. So this is how I just tried out different shots. After I had my different shots and different angles, so it was time for me to edit. And on editing, I did mostly speed ramps, like you can see, then some simple special effects, nothing crazy, just using simple masking. I tried to use After Effects, but it wasn't worth it because I could achieve all the effects using Premiere Pro. So the first effect was the glitch on the Ajab logo. This one is a simple effect. So what you do, you duplicate the clip, then you mask out the section which you want to glitch. So since I wanted it to happen on a small period of time, I just had to cut the clip down and did some tracking on it, then add a glitch effect. You can get glitch effects online. There are a lot of glitch effects. Then I wanted to give my video a intro scene, so this is where I used the wide scene of displaying the different product. I used 2 clips to achieve that, just to set the mood and the pacing of the video. So the second effect which I did was just a mask transition. This is where I use the light stand as my foreground so that I can mask to the next clip, and this is how it appeared. The other thing is just to know how to use speed ramps very well. Make sure there is a smooth curve on it. I shot on different frame rates. I used 60 and 120 frames per second. On the high, like intense actions, I used 120 frames per second. But on the other, like simple clips, like a tracking shot, I just used 60 frames per second. And this was the final product of the video. As you can see, I never touch on color grading or the sound designing, as this can be a different clip from this one. This one was just a breakdown behind the scene of what went down when shooting this commercial. So if you want me to show you how to color grade and color correct, just comment down below, or even do sound designing breakdown. So as we quarantine, let us be creative. Use this time to make something out of it. Have a creative idea, then execute it. Just turn your ideas into reality. Remember to stay safe and stay at home, and don't forget to make it happen.